Cajola to the right. Don't make a great big cajola, make it smaller. Cajola 2, 3 now left. Cajola 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. Pull up the right. Up on the right. Up on the left. Back on the right. Back on the left. Take it down 2, 3, and down 2, 3. Again, okay? Up on the right. 5, 6, here we go. Up on the right. And up on the left. Back on the right. And back on the left. Take it down 2, 3. Take it down 2, 3. Make a row. It's going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to go side to side. Side, side, side. 2, 3, 4. And you're going to go 1, 2, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Ready? And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The whole second verse. 5, 6, here we go. Up on the right and up on the left. Back on the right and back on the left. Down to the right. Down to the left. A row. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Turn to the right. Da 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 da. Bum bum. Switch to the right. Okay, ready? Again, turn to the front. Let's go again. 5, 6, here we go. Up on the right and up on the left. Back on the right and back on the left. Take it down 2, 3. Down. Make your row. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3. Turn right. Right. And right. Okay, right there. Okay, that's